astronauts! Welcome to our YouTube channel. We are going to learn some vocabulary words about the lesson number 3, about the unit that is called the cooking time. So let's see the words. The first one is beef. Beef. We continue with chicken. Chicken. Now, the next word is vegetables. Vegetables. Now we continue with boiled. Boiled. The next word is grilled. Grilled. We continue with roasted. Roasted. Now the last word is fried. Fried. And finally we have steamed. Steamed. This is the vocabulary words about the lesson number 3. Now, for the grammar part, we are going to express the ingredients that we need when we are going to prepare something at the cooking time. For example, which ingredients are you going to use for prepare a salad? Which ingredients are you going to use to prepare a salad? So we have, for this salad, I am going to use some tomatoes, some onions, a cucumber, and also some carrots. That's all for today. Remember, you can continue practice at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, leave your likes, and see you in the next class. Bye-bye, astronauts!